Hey guys, I'm Jamie with the YouTube channel SavorySaver, and I share gluten-free recipes, tips, tricks, and resources to make your gluten-free lifestyle easier. Today, we're gonna make a dessert in the microwave. It's single serve and it takes 1 minute to cook. We're gonna make a gluten-free mug brownie. So grab your favorite coffee mug and let's get started. Before we get cooking, let's go over our ingredients. I've got 2 tablespoons of a gluten-free 1-to-1 baking flour. This is Bob's Red Mill. If you use something different and make this recipe, leave it in the comments below and let me know how it comes out. So we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of that. We're gonna use 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, a pinch of salt, a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. I have 1 tablespoon here. I think that that's enough for me, but go ahead with 2 if you'd like. We're gonna use half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of butter. So let's put all these things to the side and get started. So the first thing we want to do is we want to melt this butter. So we're going to pop this in the microwave for 30 seconds until it's melted. Our butter's all melted, so now it's a matter of adding everything else, mixing it up good, and cooking it. So we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm going to break that up a little bit. A pinch of salt, and guys, if you can see that, literally that is a pinch of salt. That's just going to help cut the sweetness a little bit. Our 2 tablespoons of milk, our half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and let's give that a good mix. And once we get everything mixed together, then we'll put in our chocolate chips and get that mixed. Let's get our chocolate chips in there. Give those a mix. And we are ready to go. So I'm gonna pop this in the microwave, set it for 1 minute. I'm gonna let it sit for about 30 seconds to a minute after that. It'll give it a chance to cool for a second. It'll give a couple seconds to set up, and then we'll come back and try it. So I'll meet you back here in just a moment. We are back. Our brownie is ready. It's nice and warm, cooked all the way through. So let's take a scoop out of there, show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll take a bite of it. You can see how rich and chocolatey it is. You can see that it's actually cooked through in just a minute. Some of that gooiness is from those chocolate chips that are all melted and delicious. So let's give this thing a try. I've shown you how to make it. I've shown you what it looks like. Once it's done, it's time to give this thing a try. So it's still pretty warm. Again, that's what it looks like. Let's give it a try. Guys, that was a really big bite. It's super decadent, super rich. You definitely, in my opinion, don't need more than a tablespoon of chocolate chips in it, but by all means, if you're gonna be brave, go ahead and add those extra chocolate chips. It's just like a nice gooey brownie that you would get out of the oven. Didn't take us any time to put together. It's one of those ones you can make at 9 o'clock at night and not have a whole pan to deal with. I did it in this small bowl so you guys can see better, but I've also done it in these mugs. Works great. So I hope you give this recipe a try. Please leave a comment down below if you do. Leave me a comment about what kind of gluten-free flour you like using for things like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe to future videos so I can share those with you as well. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.